Welcome to Think Merit Classroom. In this tutorial, we will see how to evaluate students' answer sheet, generate rank list, and publish student result. For automated evaluation and manual evaluation, click on SAT. Here, you will see that test student 3 has scored 1 out of 5 marks. In manual evaluation, there's a cross. It means whatever marks won, which was awarded automatically by the system by automated evaluation. Now, in order to evaluate the paper, like the subjective answers, we have to click on manual evaluate. When we click on manual evaluate, we will see all the questions along with their answers, even the objective type and the subjective type. In MCQ, you can see that correct answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Student answer is also Subhash Chandra Bose. So automatically 1 marks was awarded by the system. Now the subjective types questions have to be manually evaluated by the teacher. This is the answer sheet which is uploaded by the student. So to annotate this answer sheet, just click on the blue icon and the pen tool is selected by default. So the student teacher can make the correction like this. The teacher can also award marks. We can undo. It's a very simple to use tool. Once you have saved the annotated image, just close it and you will see that your image is updated. In the same way, you can also annotate the PDF which is uploaded by the student. Just click on the PDF here and you can annotate the PDF. Annotating of PDF is also very easy. Just save and move to the next page. Once you have completed your annotation part, just close it. You can also award marks like this. Since 0.5 marks is awarded, here you can write the remarks. Also, you can give the oral test remark. All these remarks, question will be visible to the student when they review their answer sheet. So now just click on update student result. So this will assign marks to the student. Okay. Now when we go back, you will see the marks updated is 3.5 out of 5. Once you have allotted the marks to the student, in the same way when you allot marks to all the students, then you can click on more and click on evaluate. When you click on evaluate, this will help to generate the class-wise summary and rank list. Since only one student has given the test, so only one student is appearing here. As soon as more students starts giving the test, you will see the rank, you will see more students starts appearing in the rank list. Here you can see part-wise marking of students, section-wise marking of students, also question-wise marks of students. All these data can be easily exported to CSV. Now, how to publish student result. Once you have generated the rank list, click on more and click on publish result. When you see a published tab here, it means the result is live and is available on the student platform to review their answer sheet and check their results. You also have an option to unpublish the result from here. So in this tutorial, we have learned how to evaluate the answer sheet, how to manually evaluate the subjective type answers, how to generate rank list, and how to publish and unpublish results.